Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel, and today is Vlogmas day 19. It's super exciting. My camera, I can't wait to get a new tripod. This thing sucks. Anyway, if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing our advent calendar like we always do, and you're already on the tripod, so we're just going to go and get into it, and we're gonna hope we get something good, even though I highly doubt it because I have zero hopes for this advent calendar anymore. But why not do it? We're trying to find 19. Found. Okay, so ooh, it is a big one. We got a blush. You can't really, I'll show you in my makeup room, but this is what the because this lighting just sucks in here. This is in Shame on You. This is a blush. So let's go into my room. I was supposed to have a makeup room, but we're not like that. So we just have a regular room. That's our bedroom with it. So I'm gonna set you up and turn on my lights. We're back. Okay. All right. So don't mind the slightest bit of a mess. It's been crazy around here. Between filming and me fixing this tripod, between filming and Christmas time coming around, it's just all crazy. So this is what this blush looks like now. Let's open her up. Oh, and I could give you a clear image of what the eyeshadow was. Just a pale shade. I could open this one up. That's what this looks like. Not really gonna swatch it because it's not gonna come up. That's why I didn't yesterday. But we're gonna try to open this without breaking a nail. All right, got it open. Got it open to where you could take it out, not the actual lid. Got it now. So this is what this looks like. Let's swatch it. Feels pretty good. I've swirled it like a couple times. That's the color that comes off. And this is the color. It's pretty like very nude. And it's pink, but it kind of gives off like a little bit of an orange vibe, which is fine, but that's just what I'm getting from it. So it's not bad. It's just this packaging, now that I can open it's good, but it was completely like crap. So these you could actually pop out both of them and you can put them in your own makeup palette if you have of your own. I just could not think straight. I don't know why. And I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about the giveaway. I said I would get it done by this week. That's what I was shooting for. But if I'm being completely honest with you guys, I have not found anything that I would like to give away to you guys. I've been like looking, and I feel like stuff's a little bit too chintzy and too and I want to do a nice giveaway, so I'm going to take my time with it. And I will do one. Just not going to be done by this week because it's been a little crazy around here, and I have not found anything that I like, that I would think would be worth my time and worth your guys' effort of like doing whatever I have for you to do it, and I want everyone to be happy with it. I know it's like my opinion what I put in it, and it only matters what I think, but I also want to care about what you guys would think about it. And there's one idea that I will for sure be putting in it, but I just need to find a little bit more things to go with it, because right now I only have one item that is a for sure put in the giveaway. But that's kind of really what I wanted to sit down and talk with you guys about that. So I'm sorry if you were expecting one, but it does not look promising. After the holidays, I'll be able to like look like, and when I mean like holidays, like after Christmas, because like then it's just New Year's and it's like, but like after Christmas, so after like Tuesday, I can really like look into it, and we'll get back onto a certain schedule. And what I'm thinking right now for a schedule is I'll be uploading 2 days a week, let me know in the comments down below if the 5 o'clock time that I upload a video, it's 5 o'clock Eastern time, works for you guys, or if you want it earlier or later, and let me know what time you'd want down below. I use my hands a lot. And let me know what days a week you think will work best, because I want you guys to be able to watch them and we could talk to each other with them. I was thinking either a Tuesday, Sunday or a Thursday, Sunday deal, because when I go back to school, I go Monday through Thursday, and then I have off Friday and Saturday. So let me know what you guys want down below, and that's all I really got going on. So this video was kind of short. There wasn't anything really makeup related in it, and I apologize for that, and I just really wanted to sit down and talk. I don't know why my phone is going off, and it's freaking me out. I just want to really sit down and talk with you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for our new video on Vlogmas Day 20. I can't believe I've got all this way through for Vlogmas. I'm so proud of myself. Last year I stopped at day 8. This year I didn't. So thank you guys for sticking along with me, even though some of the videos are not the best. But like they are, but like I like them, and that's what matters to me, is what kind of content I put out for you. And I figured a sit down video would be fine for today. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!